Wanna know how to change your password or edit your password in TaskRabbit? So if you want to change your password to a new one, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change them in TaskRabbit in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your TaskRabbit website. Just simply head towards www.taskrabbit.com and you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, make sure you are logged in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you're done all of that, on the top right side you should be seeing something on his account. So you can this and this like that. So once there's a good account, you should be under your profile by default. And now right below profile on the left side you should be seeing password. Just simply select that. Now your current password should be our hash right here. And in order to change it, you should select edit. Just simply select it. So make sure you are verified as well. If you aren't, you will need to verify through authentication. So make sure you do that. So once that is done, you just simply type in your current password, select a new password and verify your phone number or your email in order to change them. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and join with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.